So you must be a teacher. Please, more attention. You must be a teacher. You can share to your friends in your class, in your Islamic boarding school, Yatofa Islamic boarding school. You may not speak another English, only English with EMC students. Okay, do you get it, guys? You are forbidden to speak Sasak, Indonesia, only English.
Yes.
To EMC students, okay? Or to your English teacher. Tidak boleh untuk ngomong bahasa selain bahasa Inggris dan bahasa Sasak, kecuali ngomong Inggris dan kepada teman-teman EMC atau kepada murid EMC. I'm sure if you disobey this rule, understand? If you always disobey, yeah, if you always disobey in your language, your English from EMC will be nothing, will be useless. Okay?
Yes.
Saya yakin English kamu akan tidak ada dan akan hilang semuanya dari EMC ketika Anda selalu melanggar bahasa di pondok. Okay? Please understand or do you get it, guys?
Yes.
Please remember my word. It's for you. Yeah? Only for you. Yeah? If you can do it as well as possible, so of course you will be master, you will be success. I'm sure you will be success in this world and hereafter. Only that's my suggestion. Please bring the English area 100% in Yatofa Islamic Boarding School, in Yatofa Senior High School, in Yatofa Junior High School. Next, I will check to your headmaster. Yeah. Is it right? All the EMC students bring the English to Yatofa Junior High School or Senior High School?